Okay, so good afternoon, students, and good afternoon, Sheila ma'am. Thank you so much for coming to our class. So, we will begin our class. So, today we have gathered here to mark the World No Tobacco Day, which is always celebrated, or we can say that we always mark that day on 31st of May. And this day was started by WHO to make aware everyone, students, teachers, and all the population throughout the world about the dangerous what tobacco is causing to our body. And as you are already aware that since COVID is happening, and I think many of the doctors have found out the people who are consuming tobacco are more vulnerable to COVID disease as compared to others who are not taking tobacco in any form. So for this occasion only we have gathered today, and we have asked Sheila ma'am also to come here. And the theme for this year is that commit to quit. You have to commit to quit tobacco of any kind, whether it is in the form of cigarette. I'm sure that all of you must not be having this habit, but I just want that you also do follow it, and you should ask your family members, your friends who are in this bad habit, and you should encourage them to come quit that habit, and they should commit to quit this habit. Okay. So now all of us will say this pledge together. Okay. I'm sharing my screen also. I have already, where is that presentation? Can you all see my screen?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, please. Okay. So then I will start with the pledge. I take pledge that I shall never smoke and consume any type of tobacco products in my life, and motivate my family or acquaintances to not smoke and use any tobacco products. I pledge to keep the campus of my university tobacco free and shall motivate my colleagues for the same. So this is the pledge that we have taken. Now I would like to request Sheila ma'am to say a word of prayer, and if suppose she wants to say something.
Uh, Thank you, Dr. Nikki, for giving me this time. And I'm glad students and teachers are here to, to celebrate our precious body which God has given to us, as well as to take the pledge that we will take care of our body. All right. So let's have a word of prayer before we start our class. Gracious and loving Father in heaven, we thank you for this beautiful day which you have given to us. We thank you for the wonderful body which you have given to us. Dear Lord, help us to say no to tobacco and keep our body healthy and be responsible for our body. For I ask in Jesus' precious name. Amen. Have a great day, students. Have a wonderful time with your teachers.
Thank you so much, ma'am.
Thank
Thank
you,
you, ma'am.
doctor. Thank you,
Yes.
ma'am.
Thank
Thank
you.
you.
Thank you. Yeah.
Thank
All
you.
right. Bye-bye.
Bye.
Yes.
We are just sharing your page now. Close it.